This is the elevator at some building I don't know the name or address of in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Case 59 is elevators. This appears to be an older elevator with either GAL or Dover traditional fixtures. GAL, an older elevator, GAL fixtures, appears to be a Dover. I think it's GAL. Anyway, here it is. It's a hydraulic elevator. Case 59 elevators, it's a rather deep elevator. And it's a Dover traditional inside. Go to 2, I think it just has a GAL replacement on the outside. Here you go up. This is called Parkvale Plaza. Here are 2 indicators completely burned out. We'll go back down to 1. This is a 1970s Dover traditional elevator. Non-ADA phone. Otis maintains this thing. Whoa, what was that? Pretty basic cab. Apologize about the dark lighting you hear about the 1 case findings elevator. This thing keeps leveling. There it closes, and that's going to be it.